Hi, my name is Ruby Powers. I'm a board-certified immigration attorney with Powers Law Group, and I wanted to give you 5 key points to keep in mind if you encounter immigration and how to be prepared in advance for a situation like that. We're in a new era, we have a new president, we have new laws in the future that are going to end, changes in regulations and policies. So there's going to be a lot of changes in the near future, and we need to be prepared for those. So the best thing that I would suggest you do in the near future, if this is a concern for you, is 1, make sure you've consulted with an experienced immigration attorney in advance. Make sure that you've talked to them, you've told them your situation, and maybe all they can tell you is you don't qualify for something now, but maybe sometime in the future, but these are some key things about your case. The second is that you could request a Freedom of Information Act for maybe from the Customs and Border Patrol, USCIS, Immigration Office of Immigration Review, EOIR, or another agency, depending on if you have a prior case in a different part of the government. And this could be very helpful because FOIAs can take months to obtain, and so if you do it when you're not in the rush to obtain that information, that is so much better to have that information for an attorney. A third key point is to make sure you have certified copies of your criminal records if you do have a criminal record. Make sure, I generally tell clients to get at least a couple of copies when they are going and collecting them. You know, maybe one they have to give away to the government and the other they can keep if they're applying for something, but basically make sure that you have those on record, because if you did have a situation, you would need to make sure your attorney could review them as quickly as possible. And the fourth key point is to have important civil documents ready. I like to tell clients to have them in one place if you can, maybe scan it, put it somewhere safe, so that if there was a situation, that information could be quickly given to the attorney and not wasted precious time on collecting that documentation. Things like birth certificates of children, marriage certificates, divorce decrees, taxes, and things like that, and any other key immigration documents. And a fifth point that's really important is make sure you don't sign anything if you don't understand what it is. You ask for that you're going to be contacting your attorney, and make sure you just don't sign anything you don't understand, because in many cases one signature could lead to a deportation. So you need to be careful about what you sign and make sure that you get competent immigration counsel that can help guide you through this process.